about square root. To understand what is square root, let us have a quick difference between square and square root. I have taken a number 4, and when we squared 4, we will get 16. And when we will take square root of 16, we will get 4 as our answer. So, we can say square root is reverse of square. Now, how we can represent square root? Square of 4 is equal to 4 raised to power 2. But to represent square root of 4, we show it like a symbol and the number is written inside the symbol. The symbol is called radical and the number inside the symbol is called radicand or the base. Now, how to take square root? We can take square root by two methods. One is division method and the other is factorization method. In today's video, we will discuss division method to find the square root. To understand, let us find the square root of 1225. What is the first step? We will write the symbol and we will put our number inside the symbol. Now, we will start pairing the number from left side to the right side of the number. So, our first pair will be 25 and the second pair will be 12. Now, we will take a square number and we will multiply it by itself. So, I am taking 2, I am multiplying it by 2 and I am getting the answer 4. 4 is very small as compared to 12. So, I am taking 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 is giving me 9. To have understanding, I am taking 4 and I am getting 16 as the answer. Now you can see 16 is bigger than 12. So, I will choose 9. I will write 1 3 here and the other 3 on the upside of the symbol and I will write 9 under the 12. Now, subtracting 9 from the 12, I will get 3. Now, I am having the second pair which is 25 and I will take the whole pair down with the 3 and my number will become 325. Remember, in square root, we will take down the whole pair of the number, not a single number. Now, another special property of square root is that I will take the divisor which is 3, I will add another 3 in it and I will write the answer down there which is 6. Now I am having 6 and the other number is 325. I will take 6 and I will write a number with the 6 and I will multiply with the same number. As you can see, I am writing here 6 and I am writing here 1 and multiplying it by 1 and I will get 61. 61 is very small than 325. So I will write 2 with the 6 and multiply the whole number 62 with the 2, and the answer is 124. You can continue with this hit and trial base. There is another way, which is this. You just look at the last number, which is 5, and think that which is a square number that can give you 5 as the answer. And for me, it is 5. When I write 5 with the 6 and I multiplied 65 with the 5, I got 325. So this is the required number. I will put 5 with the 6 and the other 5 will go up on the symbol with the 3, and I will write my answer 325 under the number, and so the question is solved. It means the square root of 1225 is equal to 35. So that's all for today. Hopefully you all have understood the whole topic of square root.